can't think of a lead magnet that my readers are going to love. That's what we're talking about in today's video. Hey, I'm Lise Cartwright. Welcome to Hustle and Groove, where we talk about all things email marketing, productivity strategies, and side hustle related. So today I want to talk to you about creating lead magnets and specifically identifying the 5 to 10 lead magnets that are going to be the best fit for your target audience. Now, it really does depend on your product or service and what it is that you're offering before figuring out what is going to work best. That's why I wanted to come up with some ideas to help you figure out what lead magnets you could use for your business. Now, I've come up with 37 easy lead magnet ideas that you can pretty much implement in the next 30 minutes if you were so inclined. So let's jump straight into them. Now you can see full details on some best practices, some resources and tools to help you create these on the blog post link below. So let's get started. So number 1, a PDF version of your blog post. Super easy. Number 2, templates. These are my fave. Number 3, infographics. If you're a visual learner like I am, I love infographics. Video tutorials. You guys know how much I love video tutorials. In fact, there is a video tutorial associated with this blog post, so make sure you check it out. Video course. Do you have a course that has videos? Maybe you could use one of those as your lead magnet. What about an email course? You can drip feed that out, super easy. Cheat sheets. These are easy to set up and create in less than 10 minutes. A resource guide, easy to set up too. What about a resource library? Now, the Hustle and Groove Vault is a really good example of that. So if you haven't checked that out, make sure you grab a copy of it now. Audio recording. So if you're not a video person, you're not a written content, maybe you prefer to just chat to people, maybe you can give an audio recording away as your lead magnet. Number 11, PDF transcriptions. So this is about taking a video that you have, getting the transcription and turning it into a beautiful PDF that people can download. Number 12 is a challenge. Love challenges. Number 13 is quizzes. I am a huge quiz fan and I'm creating one for Hustle and Groove right now, so stay tuned on that. Number 14 is a workbook. Have you got something that you can turn into a 15 to 30 page workbook that is editable and gets your readers further along on whatever process it is that you're trying to help them with? Number 15 is a worksheet. Now, can you take a page out of your workbook and create a worksheet? So just a single page worksheet that you can give away as your lead magnet. Number 16, case studies. These are great if you have a product or service in place and you've already got customer and clients. Giving case studies of before and after is a great way to not only build lead magnets, but also create a really great example of what you can do and how your product helps people. Number 17 is swipe files. I'm a huge fan of swipe files. Now, if you're a social media manager, you might be able to provide people with some social media templates. Those are the types of things that we're chatting about here. Number 18 is a Photoshop presets. Give something away that you're already using and I can guarantee that your customers will come back to you and ask you to do it for you anyway. 19 is all about giving away bonus content. Create something that is going to add value to your readers as a lead magnet, and there you have your bonus content. Number 20 is a Quickstart guide. This is all about offering visual representation of the step-by-step process that someone has to go through either to use your product or service. Quickstart guides are amazing. Easy to create too. Checklists, yay! I love checklists. So anything that needs to be checked off as someone goes through the steps is easy to create as a checklist. Are you a coach? Number 22 is about offering free 15-minute clarity or strategy calls. Super easy and a great way to get to know your customers or clients if you're just getting started. Number 23 is offering a free online course. Do you have something already created that you can give away for free that then leads into your premium product, like an online group coaching program or one-on-one coaching? Number 24 is offering a free trial on your product or service. This is great for anyone that has a software as a service product. Giving a free trial is super smart. Number 25 is interviews. Do you have a podcast? Have you thought about bundling up similar interviews and adding some actionable takeaways? That's a great idea. Number 26 is an editable planner. What about an editable calendar? That's number 27. Number 28 is a best of list. Have you got the most amazing blog post that you want to make sure your target audience is always seeing? Make it a downloadable PDF lead magnet. Number 29 is a workshop. Have you done a training workshop that you are wanting to upsell into some type of paid product? Give that away as the lead magnet into it. Number 30 is all about a private Facebook group. People love this. This is a great lead magnet. Number 31 is recommended tools. What are the tools that you use to run your business? Number 32 is a discount code. Can you offer a free discount code to your subscribers? Number 33 is probably one of my least favorites, but it works just as well if you have something that is research heavy, and that is a report. Now, I would jazz this up with visuals and infographics to make it even more tangible and palatable for your target reader. Number 34 is printables. I love printables. Can you design something and make it downloadable and pretty for your target audience? Number 35 is inspirational, kind of similar to printables, but maybe now you're going to provide a screensaver or something else. Number 36 is all about webinars. So is there a webinar that you can lead people into as your lead magnet? Live webinars work best, so think about that if that's something that you're wanting to offer. Number 37 is a creation guide. Now, this might be something along the lines of how to create a product or service, and this is a guide that specifically tells them how to go about doing that. So that are the 37 lead magnet ideas. They're easy to set up. Now, all that you have to do is choose the one that works best for you, and that is your immediate action step. Identify the first one you're going to create and then choose another 5 to 10 and make them relatable to as many of the blog posts that you have on your website as possible so that you can cross-use them across your entire platform. I'm Lise Cartwright, and if you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you subscribed and hit the subscribe bell notification so that you get notified when new videos are released weekly. I'll see you in the next video.